You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. So we're gonna be trying the Tabitha Brown Donna's Recipe products. I did not buy her shampoo or conditioner. She did not have a deep conditioner. All right, so I just washed out my deep conditioner. So I'm going to try the first Tabitha Brown product, the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. So fun fact, is this a safe space? I don't even know who Tabitha Brown is.
What?
I was like, when I saw like all the Target collabs and products and videos and then this, I'm just like, what's the significance? I'm not even trying to be funny. I'm not trying to discredit her. I just don't know her. So either way, I'm clearly supporting. So that's that. This is the leave-in conditioner. It says it's made with real sweet potatoes stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Perfect hair recipe for nourishment, moisture, and scalp. So I don't really know why I need sweet potato or vanilla. Vanilla has no, if I'm mistaken, no like actual properties for your hair. But whatever. The first 5 ingredients, I know I do this on my channel, is water, cetyl alcohol, coconut oil. I'm very aware that this has coconut oil, but I just wanted to give it a try. Okay, my hair obviously is different now, so maybe it likes coconut oil. Matrimonial chlorified, which I think means slip. Isopropyl alcohol. Is this the alcohol we don't like? And then it's the sweet potato and sugar and all that jazz. I will put something on the screen if this is isopropyl that we don't like. Interesting. The first step of the LOC or LCO method, which we're gonna try that today. I don't know which method my hair really likes because I haven't done it in a while. This leave-in conditioner so far is not the thickest. It's actually pretty watery. Yep, smells just like a sweet potato pie. Yeah, this is actually really watery. Hold on. I almost don't even feel it on my hair. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I almost feel like if I can't really feel it, I'm gonna feel tempted to keep using a lot of product. You know what I mean? I can't tell if it's just soaking into my hair or if it's not even like doing anything. I don't know. This is the 8 fluid ounce and I'll put the price on the screen. If you aren't fond of scents, then this collection is clearly not gonna be for you. The next 2 products is the sweet potato extra creamy hair cream. It's the same like sweet potato and vanilla. First 5 ingredients is water, cetyl alcohol, sunflower seed oil, something I can't pronounce, squalene, and PVP. Hopefully this doesn't flake on me. Or final step for LCO. So this is the oil? Child, I'm confused. Okay. Because this says cream. I think they messed up on their packaging. It says use as second step for LOC. Liquid oil, which would be this because this is the scalp oil, or cream. How is this the second step? Or final step for LCO? Wouldn't it be the second step? They messed up on their packaging, child. Let's see what this says. Yeah, they messed up on their packaging. Okay, let's go to the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. See, it says oil. And it says use as a second step. It says this, these 2 products says the same thing on their product. Messing me up, child. This has shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, castor seed oil, sweet almond oil, and sunflower oil. So obviously this is the oil. So it's confusing me. It's giving confusion. I'm gonna do the LCO method on this side because I want the cream. I want the oil last because now I'm confusing myself. I want the oil last. So this is the hair cream. So the LCO. Did I even show y'all what it looked like? Because everything's confusing me, child. This is the hair cream. You see it says cream on it. This is the consistency. Very creamy. I like that. Right off the bat, it's actually very thick and hydrating. Now this product doesn't smell as overbearing as the leave-in conditioner, which is good. But let's go ahead and and just put the oil, because I'm doing the LOC method on my other side. This is the hair oil, and it's more of a butter in my opinion. It turns into an oil. I want to do both methods just to see if I like the LOC or LCO method. So it's with the butter on it. My hair damaged where? Well, it's damaged, but I'm just saying. It's honestly, it's looking really good. All right, let's go back to this section, and we're going to finish it off with the oil, and we're gonna do a twist out. I'm liking how it feels. All right, y'all, so I had to put 2 little perm rods in the front because you know that's where the damage is, right? Yeah. So especially since I split my hair and went this side, and I did flat twist because I feel like I get better definition with this damage if I do flat twist as opposed to regular twist. All right, so far, y'all, this LCO liquid cream oil feels really good, super shiny, really hydrated. This side already feels hydrated, so it's gonna be very interesting to see once I add the cream on top of it for the LOC method, how I feel about it. So the cream on top, it's not giving what I feel like it should give. We'll really see once it dries, is what I can say. Also, I do want to retract something because I was reading it while I was doing my hair. When I was saying, oh, I don't know what vanilla does for your hair. It says vanilla soothes the scalp and softens dry, rough hair. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp, and the sweet potatoes is packed with vitamin A and omega-3. Let's not be ignorant, okay? And let's read. Now, I was looking at the packaging to see if it recommends air drying, going underneath the dryer, whatever. It actually doesn't say anything of that nature. I might go underneath the dryer for 5 minutes and then let it air dry overnight. Because you know, like sometimes you go underneath the dryer, it just dries your hair out even more, just in general. So I think I just want to set the moisture in, but I won't stay underneath there super long. Calm down.
Much later.
I just took my hair out. I did not fluff or anything. This one is longer because it accidentally got stretched while drying in my bonnet. It was all the way over here, child. So at least we know we could get some elongation if we stretch while drying. And this was my little ringlets for the perm rods. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch, but right off the bat, they're both very moisturized. I can literally feel a little on my fingertips this side, which is the LCO method, liquid, the cream, and then the oil. They're both moisturizing. I think what will determine which one ends up being more moisturizing for me is the next couple days, right? Me going out in the elements, just wearing it day to day. So I'll end up telling you which one I end up liking, but just wanted to show you initially what it looks like. This side also looks shinier. I don't know if you can tell. It's definitely shinier on camera. I don't know. Than the LOC method. Checking in. It's been 2 days. Ignore this. So this is the LCO method. And I'm thinking so far this is what I prefer. It's a lot more hydrated, it's more shiny, it's giving more life. This, the LOC method, it's moisturized. Is it as moisturized as this side? No. Will it live? Of course. It's a little bit more frizzy, but I didn't do this for definition, so I'm just letting you know that. But either way, I think both sides is really nice. Like, I wasn't expecting this from my hair at all. I can literally feel the butters on this one. These products, 10 out of 10. The smell also dissipates after a while. I think maybe going on the dryer may have done something to that effect. May have just zapped the scent a little bit, I don't know. But it doesn't smell as strong like after the first day. So if that's what you're worried about, don't worry about it. I don't know if you plan on air drying your hair, if it makes it stay longer, not sure, and I don't plan on testing that out, so I don't know. But I will say all of these products is a 10 out of 10. They all work together, so I wouldn't recommend just buying one and not all. I feel like you need all of it. I'm not saying that you need to spend more money, but if you want to get what I got and what Bay got, his hair is also very moisturized, then you need all three. So I will leave the links down below. You can get them from Ulta. I didn't go on her actual website because I'm impatient and I like points from Ulta, so that's what I did. So yeah, again, if I don't check in, this is the ending of the video. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Do you plan on picking up anything from her? If you tried the shampoo and conditioner, let me know. Do I need it? Also gummies. I didn't check her gummies because I don't need additional things in my life. But if you try them, let me know if it's worth getting. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.